A brand new 2022 Tesla Model S Plaid with only 136 miles on the odo was crashed after reckless driving by the driver. The car was involved in a police chase, but the driver lost control of the car and crashed into a house, resulting in pretty high damage. Luckily, the driver escaped with minor injuries. However, same can't be said about the Tesla. The car has extended damage in the driver's side from front to back and beyond repairable condition. The front fascia is completely damaged. The front door is pushed in during the impact and or is jammed. The impact was so hard that it ripped off the rims, and the rims can be seen broken in front and back. Both the front and rear bumper are hanging off. The battery pack is intact without any damage and can be swapped easily. The car will be a total loss and is a good option if you are looking to replace your battery pack or for any other parts requirement.